The action camera landscape has evolved significantly in recent years, with both DJI and GoPro introducing compelling offerings. As DJI prepares to enter the 360-degree camera market with its Osmo 360, Insta360 faces new pressure to innovate. The X5, though still in the conceptual phase, is generating buzz among content creators and adventure enthusiasts alike. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. When it comes to design, Insta360 appears to be addressing one of the X4's few weaknesses: lens protection. While the X4 introduced removable lens guards, which are similar to UV filters on traditional cameras, the X5 is rumoured to feature more robust protection for its protruding lenses. The rounded shape of 360 camera lenses makes them particularly vulnerable to scratches and damage, and replacing them can be both expensive and complicated. Industry insiders suggest Insta360 might implement innovative protection solutions without compromising the camera's ability to capture full 360-degree footage. The challenge lies in balancing protection with maintaining the sleek portable design that made the X4 so popular. Regarding performance, several new features are bound to be captured in the upcoming X5. First, it could be sensor size, increasing from the X4's 0.5-inch sensor to a 1-inch sensor. Thus, the ability to capture light would be greatly enhanced, perhaps improving performance in low-light settings while also improving the overall quality of the images. Even the current version, the X4, can take 72 MP in 360-degree and 18 MP in directional modes. But a new sensor could take these numbers to higher levels and still preserve the resolution quality or better. One other important performance parameter that has also been worked on is the sound quality, which has been a weak area of action cameras as a whole. With smartphones like the iPhone 16 equipped with AI-powered noise cancellation systems and enhanced smart audio, the X5 is expected to deliver the same kind of technology. This has the potential to change the entire game of recording sound when the camera is placed in difficult positions like on a windy mountain or in a busy, bustling city. There has been a lot of inside speculation about the X5 that the device is going to feature tons of extra features. Arguably, the most sought-after enhancement is GPS tracking, which might soon be a feature of Insta360 cameras. This function, introduced again on the GoPro Hero 13, would enable users to accurately stamp their specific location on images while taking them. This would help adventure enthusiasts and travel content creators to the next level, letting them create a timeline of their trips and providing their content with more substance. There are rumors that the X5 will make great strides in terms of battery life and thermal management. Many action cameras, such as the X4, are prone to overheating when filming high-definition footage for lengthy periods, and as a result, they often become non-operational until the temperature drops. The X5 has been said to address this flaw by integrating an efficient cooling mechanism that is akin to the enhanced heatsink in the GoPro Hero 13. It is also rumoured that the X5 will be less power-hungry, which will reduce the number of times batteries are replaced throughout filming sessions. These improvements would probably render the X5 a more appealing option for users looking for prolonged and continuous recording. Be it when you are making a sports video, going on an adventure, or capturing everyday moments, the X5 can be a more dependable device and deliver better performance in a challenging environment. While pricing information remains speculative, industry experts anticipate the X5 to maintain a competitive price point similar to its predecessor, likely ranging between $499 and $599. This would position it well against both existing competitors and newcomers like the DJI Osmo 360. The Insta360 X5 appears poised to set new standards in the 360-degree camera market. With potential improvements in sensor size, audio quality, lens protection, and the addition of GPS tracking, it could well be the ultimate 360 camera many have been waiting for. However, with DJI's imminent entry into the market and GoPro's continued innovation, Insta360 will need to deliver on these rumored features to maintain its position as a market leader. The successful deployment of these improvements would result from how well Insta360 manages to strike a balance between these improvements and perhaps the most adored features of the X4. But should the company be able to pull off even most of these anticipated upgrades along with their user-friendliness design and great editing features, this new Insta360 model will be the go-to camera model for 360 videos that professionals and hobbyists will both want. For now, it is up to Monitor to see whether Insta360 in fact will be able to deliver the hope that is in the achievements that have been set. But with their appreciative history of advanced and quality products, it is a reassuring sight to the many who want this release. That was all for today. Thanks for watching.